how to fix unknown error or request failed on Android. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and resolve this error on your Android device. First, check your internet connection and make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network, as a weak connection is the most common cause of this error. After that, toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your network connection. From there, restart your device by pressing and holding the power button and tapping restart. At this point, if the error is happening in a specific app, go to your home screen and long press on the app icon and tap App Info. In the next step, tap on Storage and then tap Clear Cache to remove any corrupted data that may be triggering the error. Following this, also tap Clear Data to do a full reset of the app if clearing the cache alone didn't resolve it. Once done, open the Google Play Store and check if an update is available for the app. Outdated versions are a common cause of request errors. Finally, if the error is still showing after all these steps, uninstall and reinstall the app completely to give it a fresh start. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you fix the unknown error on your device, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.